Hello guys, today we're gonna make or build solder station. So for this we're gonna need the switch, we're gonna need the outlet, the power cord, any power cord. So just the container can be metal, plastic, the base just any piece of wood. I just make that little box for make that video short. Oh, I got one I made previously, but make sure that work great. So we can adjust the temperature for the so the items doesn't get overheat. Got the container with the sponge just for clean the tip. Let's start. Let's put the box attached to the wood. Before, let's get the cord. Okay. I just like to make the little knob. Okay, nice and tight. We can make another one. Just pretty close. Okay. That's good enough. You see, I just made the little hole just for room. Power cord inside. Let's get a couple of screws. Good. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay, just we have power cord, the box attached to the base. So let's install is the outlet. You can put first get one end of the switch and put in one side of the outlet. Screw in, attach. Nice and tight. Okay, so the other end of the switch, let's put in with the black one. So I got the caps right here. You can use it, electrical tape if you want. So I got the little piece of wire over here. I'm gonna put in the other side of the outlet. So the other side just together. Good. Okay. So now let's attach the outlet and the switch to the box. Okay. I just got that tiny screws over here. Okay, other side. There's the outlet. Okay. Before put the screws, I just like to get the plate. Okay, that's the combo one. That's the outlet with the switch. So for this, let's remove the top. So let's move a little bit this side. Okay, for make sure this is straight with the switch. You know, for don't give you hard time then to put the plate. Okay, let's get the screw. Check. Sounds good to me. Okay, let's put the screws. One, two, and three. Nice, beautiful. Okay, so we can put the cup together, back. Nice. Okay, so now let's attach the container to the base. So for that, I got that little screws, and I got the rubber washers, just because we have to wet, the sponge for help to clean the tip. So for don't let the water escape, or drain, or got some kind of leak and can damage the wood, just put the little rubber washers so help to seal. Okay, let's see. Nice. I got the sponge already pre-cut, so just put it inside. Nice. So what else? Okay, I got the wire. Just try to make some twitch over there. That's for hold the iron, the welding iron, the solder iron. Sorry. Let's screw in. Oh, nice. So let's see how it's looking. Let's put it over there. Okay. So that's how look our station. So just make sure it's wet. Put some water. So make sure it's wet, so easy to clean. I got the marker over here that gonna help me to mark where maximum. Okay, now that's the maximum. Okay, that's gonna be minimum or off. So okay, let's put it over here. Maximum, off. So I just like to make some points or little lines, just for get some guy where I put it before and just work for me. That's enough. You're never going to put less than this because you're not going to hit so the iron. That's the easy way to make the station, because anyone can have a used outlet, wood anywhere, some power cord from the old computer, old TV, old DVD. Okay guys, it's just for make sure it work. Tester lamp we here use to make sure I just got it plug in, and I'll give you more. Give you more bright or dim. So that's you are sure they work. That's everything for now, so I hope that's gonna be helpful. See you in another video. Bye.